Welcome to InfoInspired. Here's how to play our addictive word guess game in Google Sheets. This game doesn't use app script. It is built entirely with spreadsheet functions, advanced conditional formatting, clever data validation, and powerful lookup formulas. Here are the game rules. You need to guess a 5-letter word in 6 attempts. In each attempt, you will get clues. At least one clue must appear before you can move to the next attempt. A word may contain repeated letters. For example, if your guess contains 3 repeated letters, but the hidden word contains only 2 of them will be highlighted. Let's start playing. To make the game feel inspired by popular daily word puzzle games, I've added several validation rules. You can't move to the next attempt without getting at least one clue in the first attempt. You cannot enter more than one character in a cell. You also can't move to the next attempt without completing the previous one. Let's begin. Our first guess is babes. 4 letters in this guess are part of the hidden word. The teal highlighted letters are in the correct position. The saffron highlighted letters are in the word, but in the wrong position. The gray highlighted letter is not present in the hidden word. Our next guess is kebab, and then Bobby. Notice that there are 3 B's here, but only 2 are highlighted. One is teal, one is saffron, and the other is gray. This tells us that the hidden word contains only 2 B's. Then alibi. Finally, Abby. But now all the letters are teal, which means we found the hidden word in the 5th attempt. Also notice the message displayed at the bottom of the grid. This message changes depending on which attempt you win. If you fail all 6 attempts, the hidden word will be revealed. You can play only 1 game per day, but you can also play multiple games with a few changes. I'll show you how. The game resets automatically at midnight. Make sure your spreadsheet time zone is set correctly. Right now, this sheet is set to IST, which is UTC plus 5 hours and 30 minutes. Go to File, then Settings, and change it to your local time zone. To play multiple games in a day, clear your entries after each game, then go to the word list sheet, column A, and randomize the list. This option is available on desktop. And remember, this is a spreadsheet game. Do not cut, copy, or paste anywhere in the sheet. Doing so may break the data validation and conditional formatting rules that power the game. To clear your current attempt, simply select the grid cells and press the delete key on desktop, or use clear on mobile. I hope you enjoyed the game. Thanks for watching.